Nobody in a dancehall is not worthy of a response from Vybz Kartel. For where the brother got you in life.
Yes.
A few moments later.
When you hear me a burn my fire like a pussy will used to burn fire, but we are live a prison, bro. Love me, you know, jump off of my life, you know.
Somebody come and look at this. Look at this.
When I say it to my face, dog. Fucking coward, you know, on the bad back, I come on the phone. Come out tired and sing that road and come say me should have dead at prison and me live at prison to my face.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
Hey, that's why I tell you, being in a prison, it fuck you. Yo, man, I tell you, it's a prison, fuck up my music journey, you know, you, man, I tell you that, you know, that.
2,000 years later.
People say enough have regrets. My blood clot regret that. I regret going to prison for 13 years because I never go to prison for 13 years, but I'll be a better artist today.
You see it? Anything sweet you? When so are your ass. Radam! Blood clot, natty.
May I represent for one Media Fox. Media Fox. How the latest news them love.
People are going, you don't know one Media Fox pan up, you know. So people, I be a thing I go on. You see me? I be a thing I go on, people. You see it? Cause boy, Shawn start my crash out. Man, I say yo, regret 13 years him should have a prison, him should have a road and a bag of thing. You understand? But you know what, me they expect it. And it happened to a lot of people. You see me? But want to hear what Shawn Stam say.
Shawn Stam just realized that he made that big mistake.
And big up my brother for that one. Yeah. Say God no. You understand? Yeah man, me see this man and me I say yo, you need to give a reason about this. You see, because me see it a forward. I'ma feel like the same man them need therapy. You understand, Shawn Stam? Because bro, the musical career gone over TikTok right now. And you see, because him knowing himself say yo, him, you know, say him coulda dey a road. See, but who know what would happen? You see me? At the end of the day, he must say him coulda dey a road. Him coulda, you know, 13 years old time life. Because him know when placement and all of them look a thing there. Now him dead and now nothing nah go on. Him have to depend on TikTok and try fight for him music career and everything, and him nah get the strength. Nobody nah run with him. Brother, reality I got hit, you know. Cause him depend on TikTok, him and Gaza, India and all of them look a thing there. You see me, and him must say yo no strength, and Gaza nah show him no strength and a bag of thing. We see what go on all the way I go on. You see me? But the thing you think. Man I go sit down and start think something, and bro, the man not see nothing yet. The man I go vent. Remember me tell you that, cause it a start because people are go in the comment and say, yo, Ray, and it a go make him want to talk. You understand? But here we go on.
Want to watch a clip here?
With that one number one. You know what I mean?
I talk about today too, you know. Today I say, yo, a whole heap of number one go on, you know. You see me? The song then tear down your place. Whole heap
and the amount of country where the song them a chart, you know.
That I crazy for.
Music, bro.
Whole heap of countries.
Bro, I never see them things that happen for me in music. Hey, that's why I tell you, being in a prison, fuck yo, man, I tell you, say prison, fuck up my music journey, you know, you, man, I tell you that, you know, that, that 13 years out of music, it's slow, man, the fuck down, you know, you, man, I tell you, you know, that.
But you know the worst thing? It slow you down, but it never slow down your boss. So, I mean, I understand what you mean by slow down because you've been a release music same way. It never slow down your boss. So how it slow down you? You understand? That's why it sound like something they right there, so. Cause they'll get him accolades him in a prison. Him been a job most time it's him from prison. So how it not slow him down? But it slow down you while you did a release songs and all of them look at something there. You understand? Because him there now no people and in the media and I talk about things, you know. I'ma tell him, say, brother, I just time and time, man. Venting I go on. You understand? Because you not slow down. It's just that it just never work out for you, that from the get-go, from the prison, you never done get no bag of song or nothing, brother. Because at the end of the day, we not go up on show. I will not go up on show. You understand? So you not get no slow down. Because you're there road, you know what happen. You not get no bookings. You see me? You know, getting a bag of bookings, all of them look or something there. You see it? So, I don't think nothing would have really changed, my G. Because at the end of the day, Gaza fans is only for Vice Cartel. You understand? And when I say Vice Cartel, it's just Vice Cartel, not Vice Cartel music. You understand? Yeah, man. So, I don't know, brother. I don't know what kind of slow down. You see it?
Yeah.
Dog, a man never know, dog. Say that prison, that 13 years of prison, dog, man. I tell you, are the biggest regret in my fucking life.
Yeah. Believe, bro.
People say enough I have regrets. And my blood clot regret that. I regret going to prison for 13 years because I never go to prison for 13 years. But I be a better artist today. A bigger artist today. A more globally known artist today.
Yeah.
So come on.
Man saying would I be a more global artist today, a more better artist today. Shawn, Jaja. I don't know, you know, dog. If you just admit the truth, bro. Just admit the truth, my G. Admit the truth, bro. You understand? Because a music make you global. A music make you go global, my G. Not your personality. Music. It's when the music reach out there, people I want to see you. So if you don't have the music, how you gonna reach out there? When you're there person you release music, how much music you release. When you forward there, it still not reach my G. Because you're overshadowed. And when you're overshadowed, who are overshadow you, I'll get all of that support there. You understand? I just saw a thing you just not get the support. And that's the problem. You not get the support. Cause them call the loyalty boss. You see me? I just one of them thing there, bro. Yeah, man. Cause remember, you know, your nephew them not get the support either. You see me? And I just facts you attack people. Like I always say it. Look at Addy them and them not get that support them musically. You see it? Sheba them, Gaza, India, all of them not get the support. You see me? Them not get nothing. All of them put out thousands of songs. Them still them. Man drop EP, everything. I think Little Addy or Little Vibes, one of them are gonna drop on EP must be July 19. I mean, know them not gonna support that. Not gonna support that, brother. You see me? Cause right now, Cartel not give Shawn Storm now. All the album. Then I say, yo, at least Shawn Storm should have a song on the album. You see me? No matter if him not a big artist, but at least give him a strength. You see me? But it shows you. Shawn Storm not on it. So I try to tell you, the man with them say loyal and all of them things. Him not give him that strength, the dog. When him do Shawn Storm the project, Cartel not post it up and say, hey. It's just one of them things, the dog. You see me?
Not tell me about no regrets. My biggest regret that in my life, that 13 years they were wasting me in prison youth.
Yeah.
That me a bum bucket, fucking up in the music and a man never know, yeah? So right now, loan gas in my head, loan gas in my
Loan gas. Like me I see that.
loan gas.
Slow down.
Yo, people. Yo, it's like the man I go through a series, you know. The man I go through a series, brother. He might think about that 13 years, bro. You understand? We know the situation and everything we go on. And if him do want to stay around, him could have stay around, but I go cost him. You understand? But he must say, yo, that 13 years they mash up, bro. Let me tell you this, when you're missing years, you know, bro, you can't get back them years, you know. That years you maybe could have been the next millionaire or so, you know. You understand? But we can look on past things to know, say, yo, Puss and Dog now we see him look. You see me? Because if you're talented and people will gravitate to you, it no matter where, what happen, you're still talented and everything. You understand? Musically. So that prison couldn't stop him when it come to musically thing, you see me? But if you just don't have that drive, the brother based on music and bro, I just that it, brother. So what Shawn Storm said this, so I not think him would have bigger out there in the world or anything, my G. You see me? Cause see they are road there now. What happened? The same thing. Seem like before you go prison, dog. You see me? So that's one of them things. As me say, you have to just put in the work, go and put in the work, bro. You see me? Yeah, dog. Sometimes I understand so you do something in a life and regret say, yo, Jano, it passed, but I saw it go, you can't get back them time there. Just hope say your boss, you know, give you one strength one day or something. You see me? Yeah, I just one of them things that when I just, you know, as I say, this is not called loyalty. you know. Yeah, man, we just get left a yard and, you know. Yeah, one of them things because if you don't realize people, the man them usually they run cartel before him go prison. And then see a man they run him now. Scatter. Some of them man they run him and different people. Not even Shawn where they run him. Mad Susno they run him. Enough people that they run. Be a new people, so I say it go my G. You see me? Sometimes I have to think about myself. Put myself first.
You think say Shawn Sam career would have bigger than it is today? I just ask you, do you think Shawn Sam career would have been much bigger than it is? If Shawn Sam never got behind bars, do you feel like Shawn Sam would have been more relevant within the music? Would have gained more support and more fans? Do you believe that?
No, my G, that not got. Brother, I'm telling you already, say yo. I always tell people this. Once you say Gaza, my G, you're going to be overshadowed. The fans only going to support you only when you shake hands with them artists. So if I like a collaboration with the artist, then we'll give you a little ray, because attention. But once it's not, you not get that support there, bro. Them not even to Vice got to love him Sunday, man. Him not even a support them, my G. You understand? Not even a support them. I since Cartel forward out and Cartel give the son them a few collaboration and him say you're ray. But it's like them not see the son them. Because when Cartel they are prison, the son them they are road do them thing, still not getting no support. You understand? So I don't think Shawn Stan would have reached a level there. You see me? Bro, would have see it. When last Shawn Sam get a hit song, to be honest, people, can't tell I release music like the last song when I see Shawn Sam get Gangster City. That's the only song. You understand? We're not talking about no hit scratch pitch crap thing. We're talking about global. Like, yeah, where I play out there like that. Cause hit scratch, no really Ray. That was just a trending thing on Ray. Him not a bag of song. You see me? But who knows in the future? Let's see, you know. You see me? You see it?
When me look at this thing, I'm gonna see Shawn Sam come out and, you know, him do one little song where everybody there has a fucker, even himself. And, you know, it goes a little bit in the dancehall space and so forth. You know, each patch and, you know, their song there. And when we look him drop a couple more songs after that, him drop I think it was a mixtape or an EP, him drop. And there was no support from the Gaza. Literally, there's no support from the Gaza to Shawn Sam in a real life. So that tells me a lot that the Gaza only care about one person. They don't care about the rest of the artists in the Gaza or West of Gaza. They only care about one person, and that's Vybz Kartel. For me personally, I think they need to change the name from Gaza to Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, man. That may I tell you, brother. I remember see Lisa hype their own Cartel, and I don't know some fumble dumble or maybe our thing and the way them deal with her as a woman and a female. You see me knowing the situation, you see me? But them not listen, them not care, brother. You see them care, dog? Not nice did everybody did it, right? Everybody. Them not care, bro. You understand? And Cartel them care about me G, why? Cartel have the hype. You understand? Them have the money. Enough of them right now, if Cartel drop down on him face and nothing now go on. Enough of them now do. Them left from running my G. You understand? I just that. Like, come on, bro. Cartel the moon thing. You know see. Man forward. Man lift up. Gone. Kawa. Man get the chance. If Cartel get the chance, I'm to get good man lift up long time, dog. And I tell you. You see me? Actually, him couldn't fly to certain places like that. That's why I'm not lift up already. Now I'm get the chance, man lift up, gone left everybody. You see me? I say I got different life. You see it? Yeah, man. So, I just one of them things, bro. The man, them have to just find them own thing. Find them own. You see me? Do it without Cartel. You see me? Build on own a brand. You see me? Because at the end of the day, bro, Cartel, and I like say Cartel, I got there for the next 200 years. So, if them have to go keep up them own thing, bro. See him like an example, like Popcorn. You see me? Popcorn, Cartel go prison. Popcorn go internationally, go sort out him thing and make him name in the industry. You see me? Make him own a thing and rule. Yeah, all of them look a thing there. You see it, so you have to just do your own thing, bro. Can't depend on cartel, dog. No for them artists, brother, handouts and a bag of thing and you see me? Yeah. Them say a loyalty. Well, let's see what loyalty bring.
Like literally. The man put out a complete project. This is a man where, where the new name for loyalty, Shawn Sam, This is Shawn Sam we are talking about, We spent 13 years behind bars on the boss, and literally get no acknowledgement or no form of support. Remember him support on the boss, Make on the boss have a time frame where he can dare today, because Shawn Sam and Madsus them have the secret we could have sink him, Whether I like it or not, what me I say, Shawn Sam and Madsus have the secret we can sink him for life. And he can't see back the road. So imagine them money a wallet and spend 13 years and waste for them life. Waste their life. And come out now and can't get the support from the Gaza team. To make back a little money, to make something great of their life.
Well, I say going on. Cartel I live him life. You see, the man they make the sacrifice but no reaping, Yeah, that's one of them things them a G. You see it? One of them things them man. Shawn Sam, I think Cartel say the man can do mechanic or something. Some mechanic thing. Him can just start a mechanic business, dog. Bro, if the music now work, brother, try something else, dog. That's the problem. Try do something else, people. You understand? If something now work for you, do something else. Maybe you become a millionaire in the next thing where you have to do, brother. You understand? Them say money not grow up on tree. But why the bank have branches? You understand? That's how the bank grows. If you're an artist, and you say the artist thing now work out, bro, try some business, try something, my G. You understand? I think Cartel say Shawn Sam can him good pan the mechanic thing and them cutting there, so him can try for that, bro. You see me? But I guess the type of lifestyle and thing him maybe not go down the road there. We see say people say, Jano, him no want to look back. I imagine Shawn Sam start work on car, as a mechanic, and people are gonna say, Cartel, Jano, dog, Shawn Sam have go start the car work, and Cartel look it have a look away. But brother, if that's the way out, that's the way out. You understand? At the end of the day, it's what you want. It's not what people say or what people want you to do. You understand? So there's many things you can try in life to become a better person. And if you have tried for years and it not work, you see me? Yeah, brother. Cause, bro, if me a chance time, I'm gonna get some money and rate. Brother, me I start some business or something, G. You see me? Me I multitask the music and I do this, build up something. Brother, music enough forever, brother. You know, realize some of the artists internationally. So my man are in a movie, brother. Look at your name. Ludacris. I be a movie man, and them look at thing there, brother. Brother, music enough forever, my G. You see me? Can do other things and make money. You see it, so him can do other things. You see it?
That fucked up, That really, really fucked up, Me nah hide and tell you, that really, really fucked up. Badly too. And if you see the man on live right now, and the man on live, and the man taught them something, you can tell, you can listen what the man is saying, listen what the man talking. The man say, I'm not give a fuck what I want to say. Me regret, me not give a fuck what I want to say, That the man make no know straight up, Yo, Jaja Star. The man realize the biggest mistake when making in life, That when India make it, in India realize him, I think about loyalty, But when he come out now and realize that, fuck, I come out and me I try, and me now get the support. The man I look on himself in the 13 years there and work on him thing. Him could at least build a fan base himself.
Yo, say God no. Boy, him could not think that, Boy, him couldn't, we go build fan base when him under this money belt. You understand? You can't build a you think you cannot work for a bank owner and expect say you are gonna build your fan base or build your thing within fee roof or whatever. Brother, you have to left this and go build your own thing. You understand? As Shawn Sam say a Gaza. So him couldn't go build no fan base. You understand? For him fan base I would have to be a Gaza supporting and him not get that. You understand? I tell them already, brother. Cartel thing is just overshadowing, bro. You're just an element that's working for the movement. You understand? And once you diss the movement, or say you try take yourself away from the movement, that's you know what will happen to you. You understand? You just things not gonna work, things it seem like Rhino. Rhino do him do cut. You know see what I'm after with Rhino career, dog? No support, no link, nothing. You understand? So if him feel like him a go build, him can't build whose fan base, brother. Popcorn did have a left. Why you think Massacre left? Massacre could stay there, so. You see it, although him should have never did it from the get-go. But Massacre left. And I try the film thing. You understand? At least them they want Alkaline for do. Them they want Alkaline for say this because he's a talented artist. You understand? And then maybe if Alkaline did do that, it maybe would have end up be a different person. You see me? So I just most of the artists when I get up and say Gaza and Ray. Bro, like nothing is there. Them not get the strength, them not get the upliftment. You understand? Them not get that magic. So I just saw the thing set, brother. You couldn't build no fan base while man the cartel belt. You see? I tell you that.
That the man I look on, you know. Thing come out no, it's difficult no if you work and build a fan base, you know. Because I look on it and say, yo, me just need a little support for kick off my thing.
Well, I one of them thing there, no people. Shawn's time have to know what he want. You see me, I way want to do, but just know, say, brother. If I support them, I wait pan. Boy. Time has passed, bro. Try something else. You see me? But people, big up on yourself, you know. Don't know. One media facts pan up. Yeah, man. That is it.